Okay, Bilyato Balejo. Balejo. 7 seconds shot lang. Leonardo Bilya for the win. Why? Rumabay de la Cruz of team. Basket! 18-20 ang score. Ari Galagas. Galagas. 15 to shoot. Balejo. 10 to shoot. 5 minutes pa. 30 seconds. 8, 5. Nakuha na ito na siluat ni Linado for the win! Oy, na-airball kanon! Team to Humanites. 12 seconds, official score 20-18. Tatlo pa. Coach Bibong wa. Tubordo, tamang kataas. Nakuha ni Linado. The win! Na-short. Nakuha ni De La Cruz. De La Cruz, the short man. Sa bordo, a foul and a basket by jersey number 10, Balejo. Ano to, rep? Congratulations! Team to Humanites. Amo na yung sa Aibla Pro. Baton, ganyan kabirtihan. Ang aton best player of the game. Best player lang.
No.
Mr. Wins. Balyar. First basket of the game. Sayo. Wow, basket. Iguales 1. Balyar pass to Colita. Ano to? Traveling violation. Guarded by Balyar.
Diba ganito na, tanesan rin.
Puro ng mga player gini eh. Wales, wala. Colita, wala yapon.
Oh, shoot.
Basket by Hinilia. Sayo lang ako. Pass to Cuales. Basket! Change favor. 3-2. Balyar to Colita. Guarded by Duterte. Hinilia. Na steal ni Cuales penetrates. Basket! 4-2. 8 minutes and 43 seconds. Up. Cuales fires for 2. Out. Pass to Hinilia. Basket! Iguales 4. Cuales. 2. Duterte. Lagi niya kung puro players nung gahampang. Oh. Grabe kong power move. Basket by Duterte. 5-4. Gamay lang ang error. Makita mo kita may may padulungan ang shots. Bayot. Basket by Bayot. Iguales 5. Ticket ang laban, no? Cuales. 70 to shoot. To Duterte. Wala. Nakuha ni Colita. Pass to Bayot. Wala. Bound by Colita. Dribble. Colita to the center. Pass to Duterte. Basket. Size 5. Team New Market. Bayot for 2. Wala. Sayo to Duterte. Okay. Easy lang. Easy. Tatay Diggs. 17 to shoot. 3 seconds. Violation. Na-steal pa. Duterte to Sayo. Foul by Hinilia. First personal foul. May bonus shot. 7-5. Wala na. No guardian. Hinilia. Good pass. Wala. Airball. Balyar. Uy, miscommunication. 15 to shoot. Kuales fires.
Ay, wala.
Okay, last touch. Time out, team crossing. Ah, sakto. Crossing, okay. Team crossing, isa na lang ka time out. Team New Market, 2 pa. Kada half may may tagdo-2 ka time. Kuales!
Ay.
It's a traveling valley. Okay, referee decision is final and irrevocable. Violia, wala. Say hello to the camera.
Final game.
Iguales basket! Iguales 15. Okay, deadlock na. Plus na. Bayot to Balyar. Oy, hindi magawa pa basket. This is size 15. Foul by Balyar. As ito? Balyar. Okay, Balyar. Second personal fouls. Inbound pass to Sayo. Sayo lang ko. Jersey number 23 guarded by Bayo. Nakawala. Uy pa. Big rebound by Duterte. Uy nga po. Kaya na foul by Hinilia. Third personal fouls by Hinilia. This is size 15. May bonus shot. Team crossing leading 1 point. Wow, basket. It's another deadlock. 16 all, Balyar for 2. Wala. Nakuha ni Duterte. Ribbon. Okay. Bula, sang team. New Market. Ibang pass to Kuales. Kuales. Apa? Oh, pinsip to pinsip. Kuales. It's a traveling violation, kanugon. Deadlock ha, 16 all. Kasabat sa kurente. Guys, hindi yata na iba sa kurente. Hinilia. Bayot for 2. Wala. Kuha ni Sayo. Igualis si size ng score. Sayo on the dribble, guarded by Bayot. Nakawala man. Pass to Duterte. In and out basket. Change favor. This is 7. This is size. Nagbalos, wala. 8 minutes and 17 seconds. Sayo. 10 shot clock. 5 to shoot. Kuales. Violation. Ribalo. Screen by Colita. Bayot. Teardrop. Wala. Bayot again. Wala gyapon. Palapay nila wala. Nakuha ni Good. Last touch by Mr. Lombak. Ball pass to Inilia. Inilia dribbles. Na still. Nakuha lewat ni Inilia. Turn around. Pass to Bayot. Turn to shoot. Colita. Traveling violation. Nagsigod, tumugod. Kuales. Kuales. Suave-suave yung apelido, no? Mr. Kuales on the dribble. 5 for 2. Wala. Nakuha ni Hinilia. Basket. Iguales 17. Grabe ng pang. Mr. Lompang pass to Duterte. 2 Kuales. Basket and a foul by Balyar. Pilar? Balyar. Warning, 4 personal fouls. 17, 18.
Dali na. Ay, linti, matulog pa ako.
Okay, wala. The rebound by Colita. Okay. Foul by guarded by Duterte. Bayot fires. Wala yapon. Big rebound by Sayo to Duterte. Basket. 19-17. Ball pass to Bayot. 5 5 to shoot. Shot clock ends. Fires. Nakuha ni Sayo. Okay. On the center. Basket. Okay. 20-17. 1 point na lang kinalasan yung market. Fire.
Ay.
Sayo. Sayo to Quales. Quales. Dribbles. Winning shot. It only takes 1 shot. Sayo. Na still. Pinilia. Basket. 18-20. 5 minutes and 2 seconds. Sayo. Paano nila gagawin ang winning shot? Isa lang ka-shot sa New Market. Daog na. Ball position sila. 10 shot. Sayo for the win! Wala
pa. Ay!
Basket! 19-20.
Agay lang about ang ano.
Time out! Team New Market. Remaining time 4 minutes. Lawig pa 4 minutes and 41 seconds. Ang official score 20-19. Team New Market. Isa ka shot. Crossing 2 para ma-end kag ma-consider na winner of the game. Back to the 30 for the win! Basket!
Winner! Congratulations! Winner ang New Market.
Congratulations, Team New
Market.
Moving up to the final round. Jump shots.
Yung manhigad ka lang.
And a foul by Weston.
Tapos na lang natapos, mga alas 9, pasado bro, tapos na. Mga tagas-talas, umisim.
Ay, miss. Alcantara to del Corio. Kagawad. Masyado basket. Foul by
Yung buhok sa bata na, taibe ba?
Weston.
So, ito yung mana?
Nag-fake. Alcantara, wow! Pinoy style po. Ay!
Dapat na nga,
Del Corio.